In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate BandLab. We'll start right from the beginning so you can get comfortable and move around with confidence. Open your favorite web browser and head to the official BandLab website. Make sure the address is correct so you know you're on the real site. BandLab runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install and the layout may update occasionally, but the core navigation stays similar. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option, typically at the top right. Go ahead and click that. You'll see several sign-in choices. Choose the Google option if you want a quick, secure login using your existing Google account. If you use multiple Google accounts, pick the one you want connected to your music. After selecting it, click Continue to confirm. If your browser asks the command for permission or shows an extra prompt, just follow along and proceed. This is normal for secure sign-ins. After you're in, you'll land on your feed. Think of this like a social media timeline tailored for music creators. You can browse trending tracks, discover new artists, and get a feel for what the community is making. It's a great place to find inspiration, see what's popular, and understand the kinds of projects people are sharing right now. Next, check out services. This section brings together tools and programs that can help you take your music further. You'll see options like opportunities, distribution, boosts, and pages. Opportunities can connect you with contests or submissions. Distribution is where you can get your music onto major streaming platforms. Boosts help increase visibility for your releases, and pages provide a simple way to present your artist's presence. Some items may have eligibility requirements or costs, so read the descriptions to decide what fits your goals. Now head over to Library. This is your personal hub. Here you'll find your projects, collaborations, and any music you've liked. It's organized so you can quickly revisit works in progress or pick up a collaboration where you left off. If you're returning after a break, the library is the fastest way to see what needs your attention. When you're ready to make something new or share an update, use the Create button. This is your entry point to start a new project or post. Whether you're experimenting with ideas or preparing a release, Create gathers the options in one place so you can get going without hunting through menus. That's the essentials. Open the site, log in with Google, explore your feed, review services, manage your library, and use Create to start building. With these areas under your belt, you're ready to navigate BandLab smoothly and focus on making music.